permission to share this information. So I'm getting a big fat yes. Permission to share this information on a subconscious level. Big fat yes. So this tool here, once I get Deni and all her baggage out of the way, right? Because I want to have a nice connection with the subconscious, because there's only one subconscious, right? This toolkit gives me 4 responses. It gives me a yes, show me a no. It gives me a no. It gives me a maybe. And this maybe is a clue that there may be something going on in the unconscious, like a childlike personality that is used to protect. So this maybe that comes up, show me a maybe, thank you. This maybe that comes up is a clue to me that there's someone else in the driver's seat. And so we have to deal with this barrier in a loving, kind way. And then show me a polarized. Thank you. So a polarized, so these are the 4 responses I get from the subconscious. These responses are yes, no, maybe, and polarized. So the maybe shows me that there may be uh, parts that take over the driver's seat in order to protect. And these maybes are dealt with in a very specific way. And then the polarized means that there are 2 beliefs happening at the same time. So, an example of 2 beliefs happening within your energy system at the same time. So, what I have is a belief spinning in one direction that says, I manifest all the money in my checking account. I manifest $10,000 a month. I manifest all of this. So we have an affirmation that is becoming a belief. But then we have another belief spinning in another direction that says, money doesn't grow on trees. Who do you think you are? You don't deserve to have nice things. You don't deserve to have money. So we have these 2 things canceling out all of your manifestations. We want to deal with these polarized parts within the energy system in a kind, loving way. So all of these parts must agree to the integration work that the subconscious is going to be taught how to do with its own language process. So part of my abstract thesis was that the subconscious has its own language process. And Dr. Gary Flint discovered this language process and how to talk to the subconscious and give it direction so that it can be an ally in this healing process. So this is a 4-step mechanism. And so by activating this success mechanism within you, it's already in you, it's already in your blueprint, and utilizing various techniques and states. And so, for those who don't want to go into hypnotic states and trance, I've discovered waking state hypnosis. And this is a wonderful place. It's a relaxing, opening, releasing space to be. And so, when we do our free workshops, we definitely go into detail on what the process is. And we also have focused and deep programming group work. And this has a nominal fee because we really get into the details. And if you are in a line with that issue, you definitely want to bring your energy in, because you not only heal your unconscious, but also the collective unconscious. This is how powerful activating this mechanism is within one person. Within one person, this mechanism becomes activated and you light up everyone around you. And I truly believe that we are multi-dimensional and polyphasic beings. We have access to many states and many dimensions at once. So there is no need to go into deep hypnotic trance to begin the change work. This is the beauty of waking state hypnosis for integration, because it holds profound, concise, and measurable implications for healing, personal growth, and transformation. So, using focused awareness to reprogram the triggers for greater self awareness and empowered resilience to face life challenges authentically from your energetic blueprint. So, by accessing these deeper layers of the psyche, we can uncover and address unresolved traumas, fears, and limiting beliefs without having to tell the story of it. This is how powerful it is. And this helps unlock hidden limitations that may be holding us back from realizing our full potential and then fostering this holistic healing process. It goes on automatic drive and integrating the mind's innate capacity for transformation.